How to make your cover photos private on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to make your cover photos private on Facebook. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, launch Facebook application on your device. Sign into your account. Tap three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Choose Profile underneath menu. Now tap Add Cover Photo at top of the screen. You can choose cover photo from Facebook or upload a photo. Now uncheck Mark Share Your Update to Newsfeed. Tap Save at top right corner of the screen. Scroll down. You have to refresh the feed once, and after that, select Photos next to Post. And after that, you have to choose Photos. Here you can select albums as well. So you have to choose your cover photo and choose the three dots at top right corner of the screen. Choose Edit Post Privacy and set it to Only Me. After that, at the bottom left corner of the screen, you will see the small lock-like icon which is above the like button. That means we have successfully made our cover photo private on Facebook. So, hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.